Hi guys, welcome back to another channel. I'm Jay. This is my channel Make Money with Jay. I share how to make printables, how to make KDP books, and today we're going to look at Mother's Day game ideas. Yeah, because it's soon going to be Mother's Day. Now it's already been Mother's Day here in the UK, but in America and other places around the world it is coming up to Mother's Day. I think it's May the 8th, and I go over to Canva and I make games, guys. Look, this is what I make. Now these are some of them, like, it's quite simple, yeah, A to Z, Mother's Day A to Z. All you have to do is put in A to Z down here, and then you put some lines here so they can fill it out, yeah, and I've done it again, but a different design. Then I've done another one, how many words, yeah, so instead of A to Z, you have to fill out how many words they can write with that, yeah, and all you have to do, guys, you design it once, you duplicate it, and you just change the colours and a few images, and you just keep it like that, yeah. Now I've done Mother's Day charades, another game you can make, easy, yeah, it's just simple boxes with words in it, yeah, just think of some words what might help mum, another one. Then what I've done, made a couple of games, put like Connect 4 on, yeah, just things what your mum and you can do. Hangman, yeah, popular game. Tic-tac-toe, yeah, and all I do is putting it on and putting Mother's Day on it, yeah, put a maze on it and just put a couple of cute things there, yeah. Yeah, there's the answers for it. Then I've made a scavenger hunt. Put a few nice things on, a Mother's Day scavenger hunt, yeah? Nice and simple. Now this one is what I made for St. Patrick's Day. And also do, guys, now if I wanted to do this now for Mother's Day, I'll change it to a colour that she likes, yeah? I'm just trying to figure out why is it not. Oh, there we are. Yeah, so I changed it to an, I don't know, say for instance we'll have a nice red, yeah? St. Patrick's Day. We'll turn it into Mother's Day, yeah? Mother's Day. Yeah, I thought I had it, guys. I paused then because I thought I'd made a mistake, and I'm just going to put a little, yeah, match the colours, and you can, nice and simple. You could put flowers here, yeah, or you could keep it like this. You can put whatever you want, and these are 4-leaf clovers for St. Patrick's Day, but we can keep them like that, guys. We'll change that colour actually because it doesn't go with the red. And we'll just go, I don't know, like a lighter red, or I don't know, try that, yeah, see if that goes. Yeah, it can do for now, guys. This is just for the sake of the video, yeah. It's a bit light, but yeah, you get the gist. Now, when it comes to another, you can make all these on Canva, right, save it, and then when it comes to like another holiday event, I don't know, Father's Day, you could change that out, put Father's Day, put Father's Day colours, yeah, I don't know, put beers or something, yeah, match the beers, match the cars, whatever you want, guys, yeah. Another one, for St. Patrick's Day I made this, find the colour, the 4-leaf clovers. You could do this with flowers, you could do this with anything what you think your mum might like, yeah, and it's simple designs, guys, yeah. But if you can't be bothered making it and you want to come over to my Etsy store, yeah, this is the Christmas Everyday Club, yeah, create books and all that over here. Here, if you scroll down, look, Mother's Day, Father's Day, I've got 20 games, and here I've got, like, look, they're cheap, guys. I put them on for £1. Obviously, the 20p is for Etsy. So I've got Dear Mum, I've got A to Z games. Have a look at some of these games and copy them if you want, guys, over on Canva. Change them a little bit, like, but yeah. Would I Rather game, yeah, so my mum, categories, she's putting, all you're doing is, look, Mother's Day to Z, another one, yeah, candy dice. But if you want this, look at this, 5 games, yeah, for £1.80, yeah, I think I put it on for £1.50, but obviously Etsy charges the fees, yeah, so 5 games, so instead of making them and spending a lot of time, just come and buy it, guys, yeah. Now you don't have to buy mine, obviously, but Etsy sell them, so if you don't want to make them, you can come and buy them. That's what I'm trying to get at. They don't have to be mine, but hey, yeah, look, come and have a look at, guys. I've got different games. Look, there's the scavenger hunt I made, put it on for £1, yeah. There's the charades, put it on for £1, yeah, and that is it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you, these are some ideas that you can do. Look, another one there, 4 Mother's Day games, yeah, £1, yeah. So let us know what you think about this video, guys. If you like these games, these Mother's Day games, have they give you some ideas what you can do, what you can make for her. Like, you don't have to break the bank, guys. You don't have to go out and spend loads of money. It's simple games you can create over on Canva, or come over to Etsy and just spend a little bit of money not much at all, is it, guys? And then you get some games. Yeah, and that is it for today's video, guys. Like I said, come over to the Christmas Everyday Club. Yeah, so we type it on next day, the Christmas Everyday. Look for this sign here, Santa. And look, I've made 270 sales, 5 stars so far, which is I'm pretty happy about. Yeah, give us a thumbs up, guys, and subscribe if you've not done so already. And until next time, guys, thanks so much for watching. Goodbye.